nowhere, really. Like I said, we're not pulling over today. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Boosted Villain, and if you guys didn't know, I did buy a 350Z. I saw this at the auction and I couldn't resist. Even though it's not a manual, it's an automatic, but I took the chance with it anyway. I'm glad I did that because it looked pretty clean, to be honest, for the price that we got it for. So right now we in the trenches, man. We in the hood, so we about to cut up the traffic. So we're gonna do this pretty often, man. We're gonna go out on late night drives and we're gonna see what happens, man. But the car I really want is a Corvette Z06 or Audi RS3. So let me know which one I should get. So I don't know. I think the RS3 is a little bit cheaper, but the C8 definitely look better. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, boosted_villain. So let's go. We better go get it right now. We better hop on the highway and cut through traffic. Let's see what happens. So this is my first time doing this, really cutting through traffic. I've done it in the past when I had the B5, but I never really got a chance to record everything. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna do this pretty often. I kind of miss my B5. Feel like I didn't have a chance to like really enjoy the car. Right after we made like 500 horsepower, everything went downhill from then. But yeah, let me guys know what I should get. I definitely don't want a Hellcat, because when you in the hood, niggas gonna try to take your shit. They gonna try to steal your shit. But that Z06, I think I'm in love with it. As soon as we hit the highway, if there's no traffic, we going all in. And I'm not pulling over. I am not pulling over. I know this car is not the fastest, but I don't think these cops gonna catch me if they get behind me. If this shit was a stick shift, I'll probably put a turbo kit on it. But I think instead of spending all that money into, you know, putting a turbo on it, I might as well get a car that's already fast and we don't have to do much to it. Here we go. Let's see if we can follow the Tesla. I know from a dig, a Tesla would definitely beat us. But at top end, I don't know. Honestly, if I knew a 350Z was that fun, I probably would have got a 350Z instead of a B5. Even though the B5 was pretty fun also. But I feel like I wouldn't have to do so much to make it fast. Oh, here go 5-0. They coming after me? I don't think so. We're not pulling over. We're not pulling over. I don't. It's like, nah, they ain't coming after me. The traffic is pretty heavy right now, so it's not gonna be that much fun tonight. I think we should come out at 12 o'clock. I think that's when we're gonna have the most fun, 12 a.m. Can't go nowhere, really. Like I said, we're not pulling over today. We're gonna hit the next exit. Oh, here go 12. Here go 12. I don't know. I think that was a cop. I just did some dumb shit. Anyway, we out. I thought that was an exit, but it wasn't. Taking this one. But anyway, guys, that's enough for today. So tomorrow we're probably gonna hit the street 3 in the morning. We're not pulling over. Let me know if I should post more video like this. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, boosted_villain. See you on the next one.